Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken chop at home. We'll start by preparing our chicken, ensuring it's ready to absorb all those wonderful flavors. Then, we'll dive into creating a rich, aromatic marinade using yogurt and a blend of traditional spices. This initial step is crucial for developing the deep, authentic taste that makes chicken chop so special and delicious. Next, let's perfect that marinade. You'll combine ginger garlic paste, chili powder, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice with your yogurt and spices. Mix everything thoroughly, making sure each piece of chicken is completely coated. For the best flavor penetration, let it marinate for at least 2 hours, or even better, leave it overnight in the refrigerator. This patience truly pays off. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car, right? Grab a little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener to keep your ride smelling fresh. You can find the link for this and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now for the cooking. Heat some oil in a pan and gently brown your marinated chicken pieces on all sides. Once they have a nice color, add your finely ground onion paste and cook it down until it turns a beautiful golden brown and smells incredibly fragrant. Then, add a little water, cover, and simmer until the chicken is wonderfully tender and fully cooked through. Almost there, once your chicken chop is perfectly cooked and the gravy has thickened to your liking, it's time for the finishing touches. Garnish generously with fresh cilantro and a final squeeze of lime juice for brightness. Serve this incredible dish hot with warm naan, flaky paratha, or fluffy basmati rice. Adjust the spice to your taste for a truly personalized experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.